Toyota will reveal its fifth-generation RAV4 at next month's New York Motor Show with two new hybrid powertrains. Previewed in a single image, the upcoming rival to the Ford Kuga will share a pair of electrified powertrains with the recently revealed Auris that are based on a 1.8-liter and 2.0-liter engine respectively. The smaller electrified unit, first introduced in the latest Prius, will have 121 bhp, while the larger one will offer 178 bhp and is the world's most thermally efficient engine in production. A pure petrol option is also likely to be offered, although it is not yet known whether it will be based on the RAV4's existing 2.0-liter engine or be a smaller unit, such as Toyota's latest 1.2-liter petrol with 114 bhp. The new RAV4 will be based on Toyota's new global architecture, which is an adaptable structure that also underpins the new Auris. Like the Auris, the new RAV4 will be launched without a diesel option, following dwindling diesel sales for the outgoing model. By contrast, sales for the hybrid version accounted for 55.23% of last year's total 85.19 RAV4 sales in Britain. The loss of the RAV4 diesel model is part of wider plans to discontinue oil-burning models from the range by the year's end. Diesel accounted for just 7% of Toyota's total UK sales last year.
You know you and be on your mind.